Ever since crafting my first busted canvas a couple of months ago, I've been itching to do it again. And so today we're going to make one for Christmas. Hi there, I'm Jane from Sustain My Craft Habit, and welcome back to our channel. I found this beautiful graphic from Creative Fabrica, and I'll leave the link to it below, but you can use any designs or even photos of your family. This makes a great gift idea for the holidays or something that you can make and sell at craft fairs, markets, and bazaars. I wanted to add a bit of texture to my surface, so I glued on some of this burlap fabric. It actually was exactly the right length to fit onto the canvas, and then I cut to size the other sides. The previous busted canvas craft that I did, we had painted the canvas itself. So you have so many options that you can try for this. You could decoupage fabric, you could decoupage on another graphic or napkin, paint it. We'll probably do one in the future with a crackle finish. So really the sky's the limit. The fabric here, the idea was to give it that texture. So after gluing it on there, I took a little bit of this red chalky paint and dry brushed it over the burlap, and this really just brings out that pattern and the grains, but you can still see the white of the canvas peeking through from underneath. Most of the supplies I used for this craft came from the dollar store, or you can find something similar there. Other pieces came from my craft collection. So after drying the front side of the canvas, it was time to work on the back side. And my particular canvas has this kind of yellow tint to it. It came from Dollar Tree, and it's an unfinished surface, which is great, but we need to brighten it up when we're putting a light napkin over that. So I just did a quick coat of white paint. I happen to be using my white chalky paint for this, and then let that dry. I then applied some Mod Podge over top of that, spread it around in a thin coat, and placed my napkin on there. I had this beautiful holly themed napkin that I picked up last year, either at Dollarama or maybe even Dollar Tree, and it just was a really nice accent to the graphic that I chose. So now we're going to do the cutting open of the canvas. I like to start with just an X shape from one corner to the other, and then add a few more slices in there. Having a good sharp utility knife makes a big difference here, and you just want to put something underneath. I have a block of wood so that I don't damage my working surface. So our canvas is now busted through, and we're going to fold those flaps back and glue each one to the front side of the canvas. And this is where that magic happens, that you sort of reveal the design that you have on the back side of the canvas. I put a little bit extra glue here just because I needed to glue through the burlap fabric as well as hold those little flaps down. Next, we're simply going to place our graphic, position it so that it's centered where we want it to be, and then glue that in place with some hot glue. You can add a little bit of cardboard or cardstock paper to the back to make it firmer. So after trimming the paper off around the outside, we're just going to add a few more touches to finish it off. I have a little bit of this greenery. I think this pick also came from Dollar Tree, and then we're going to just add some red berries in there, and that's it. We have this beautiful busted canvas for Christmas. Wouldn't this make a lovely gift for a teacher, a co-worker, or just for yourself to have on your shelf? Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this Christmas busted canvas tutorial. We're working hard on a Dollar Tree Christmas crafts video with over 20 cute and quick ideas, so be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss it. Happy crafting!